Hey guys, welcome to my channel. I hope you are doing well. In this video, I'm going to share with you my Nykaa and Flipkart haul. So recently there were good offers and discounts going on Nykaa as well as Flipkart. So on Flipkart, Big Billion Days was going on, and right now there is Diwali sale also going on, which is live right now. So if you want to purchase some good makeup products like Lakme, Maybelline, Nika K, then definitely you can purchase right now. And also on Nykaa, Diwali sale is live right now. So friends, without wasting any time, let's see what all I have taken. So first you can see I have taken this foundation from Ellie18, and this I have shopped from Nykaa. So you can see the packaging is like this. It is a glass bottle, and this retails for only ₹100 guys. So that's why I wanted to try this out. It gives a very natural coverage. It gives sheer coverage. At the same time, it is very lightweight on skin, and it doesn't give that very cakey and heavy feeling on face, which I really liked, and it gives a very natural kind of look, which is good for daily use. And I am in the shade 02, that is marble, which is good for fair to witty skin tones. So the next product that I've taken from Nykaa is this one. This is Olivia Natural Care Honey Almond Moisturizer, and this is the 100 ml bottle. So this is a really very affordable moisturizer, and I have heard so many good things about this moisturizer, so I wanted to try this out. And in winters my skin tends to become little bit dry, so that's why I thought of trying this out in the coming winters. And this retails for only ₹70, which is so cheap and affordable, and we are getting 2 years of shelf life to use this moisturizer. Only disappointment is it has a paraben, guys. You can see it's mentioned over here. There's methyl paraben and propyl paraben as well. But as I've already bought this, definitely I'm going to use this, and I will let you know how this moisturizer is. So the next product is also from Olivia, and you can see this is the Olivia Pancake 100% waterproof, and I'm in the set 21 golden yellow. So this also I wanted to try out from long time. It also gives very high coverage, so that's why I wanted to try this out. This is also vegan product, as you can see guys, and it retails for only ₹150 and 3 years of shelf life. So you can see the packaging is like this. Packaging is not very luxurious, or it is okay type of packaging. So you can see for this price we cannot expect better packaging also. So here one puff is given, one applicator sort of sponge I can say, but this is not of really good quality, and it is very hard, and it is not at all soft. So definitely I'm not going to use this. This is a useless applicator. So here you can see there's a separator given on top of the product, and this is our product. So this shade is really good for fair to medium skin tones. Definitely I'm going to try this pancake, and I'll let you know about the quality, about the coverage, everything. And it has a very strong smell. So next I have taken this eyelash. You can see guys, this is from a brand called BP Bronson Professional, and this retails for only ₹175, but there was some discount, so I got this for ₹150, which is really so affordable. And this is made in China, as you can see. And this is the model M72, pack M72, and you can see guys, these eyelashes are so flattery, so dramatic, and so heavy. So for heavy eye looks, these are really going to look very pretty and very gorgeous, glamorous. So next I have taken this foundation from Nykaa. This is Inside Longwear Waterproof Silky and Smooth Coverage foundation. This retails for only ₹160, and we are getting 3 years of shelf life to use this foundation, and there is 20 ml of product in this. I'm in the shade 04 warm nude. I have tried this foundation once. This is the perfect shade for my skin tone, and you can see the ingredients are mentioned, and there is no paraben in this foundation, which is a big A from my end. I'm so happy guys. For this price point we are really getting a good foundation, and this gives such a good glow guys. I can't even describe. It gives such a beautiful glow on face. It's not a very matte foundation, it is a dewy kind of foundation. This is the packaging, and this comes with a dropper like this over here. You can see guys, this is the dropper, and I'll just show you the shade a little bit on my hand. You can see guys, it has a little bit of peach undertone, but after blending it comes to my skin tone, and it really looks good on me. So after blending, it comes to my skin tone. It doesn't look peachy or oranges on my skin tone. So I really like this foundation a lot. It doesn't give a full coverage as it claims, but definitely it's going to give sheer to medium coverage and very lightweight on skin and blends really easily. And we are also getting SPF 15 in this foundation, so added sun protection. And this is also a Indian brand. You can see guys, it is made in India. And guys, there was one offer going on Insight Cosmetics. If you are buying products worth rupees 349, you'll be getting a lipstick free. So also received a free gift with this, that is this one. So I have also ordered another foundation from Insight Cosmetics, that is their concealer foundation. So that foundation I haven't received till now. So when I'll receive it, I'll definitely share with you. So on buying these two products, this foundation and that concealer foundation, I received this one as a free gift. So this is Insight matte lipstick. You can see the packaging is like this, and this is number 11. And I have already removed the outer sheet. There was one plastic wrap around this lipstick. It is a very pretty shade guys. You can see a red shade with pink undertones, and it looks very beautiful. And this shade is going to look good on each and every skin tone. And the packaging is also very good. I like the packaging a lot. The pigmentation is amazing. It is very soft and comfortable on lips. So this lipstick is also a really good free gift that I've received, and definitely I'm going to use this lipstick, and I'm really happy with this free gift. So next I have taken this eyeshadow palette. You can see guys, this one I've taken from Nykaa. Retails for rupees 599 as you can see. So I've got on a flat 50% discount. And we are getting 11.7 grams of product in this, and we are getting 3 years of shelf life to use this eyeshadow palette. So this is the Nikake Autumn Spice eyeshadow palette. You can see the packaging is so cute, and you can see the shades are warm toned shades. They are so pretty. They are really going to look beautiful on Indian skin tones. We can create so many festive eye makeup looks using this particular palette. Pigmentation, oh god guys, you can see by yourself. With a single touch, you can see guys, with a single touch, the pigmentation and the color payoff that I am getting. The metallic shades are so pretty and so gorgeous guys. So next I have taken these two lipsticks from Lakme from Nykaa on flat 50% discount. This is Lakme Absolute Matte Ultimate Lip Color with Argan Oil. So this is the shade Sinful Cherry 101, and the next one that I have is the shade Berry Boost 204. So guys, from long time I wanted to try these lipsticks. I have tried both these shades once, and I really like the shades so much. They are so pretty and so gorgeous, and the packaging is so pretty guys. And these retail for rupees 499 I guess. No, sorry, it retails for rupees 450. So guys, you can see the packaging is so pretty, so beautiful. I really like the packaging a lot. So you can see over here the shade number and the shade name is mentioned. It's 101 Sinful Cherry. It closes with a tick sound as you can see guys. So this is a different kind of bullet that I have used friends. This is for the first time. I'll just swatch and I'll show you the shade over here. This is a very pretty shade, and I'm really happy with the formula. The formula is a very beautiful creamy matte formula, which is also very nourishing and comfortable on lips. This is the shade Berry Boost. So you can see the shade is like this. It is actually a maroon shade. So I'll just swatch and I'll show you the shade over here. These type of shades I really like to wear in winter season, so definitely I'm going to wear these lipsticks, and I'm going to regularly use them. Nikake Watermelon Splash eyeshadow palette. So this is the new launch from Nikake guys. So Nikake has launched this type of eyeshadows in 4 variants. One is Watermelon Splash, the second one is Oh Honey, and there is also one green toned and one blue toned eyeshadow palettes as well. I don't remember the names right now. So guys, I had ordered actually 2 palettes, this one and the Oh Honey palette as well, which is a yellow toned eyeshadow palette, but that one I received in a broken condition, so I had to return it back to Flipkart. That one I don't have right now. So I just have this one with me right now, and you can see guys, it's a red toned peachy toned eyeshadow palette, and the packaging is really very cute and small. I really like the packaging a lot. And here the MRP is written. This retails for rupees 699, but this is available on flat 50% discount even now on Flipkart. So I got this for rupees 328 only. which is a really good deal. And you can see the ingredients are mentioned. There is no paraben in this eyeshadow palette actually, which I really liked. With a single touch, the pigmentation is so good. You can see guys, these are the 4 shades. So I will just swatch and I'll show you over here. So guys, you can see the pigmentation is so beautiful and these eyeshadows are so gorgeous as well. So I really like this palette so much. I'm going to review this palette for you guys and I'll definitely share eye looks using this palette as well on my channel. So next I've taken these 2 mascaras from Flipkart guys, and this is Essence mascaras. This is Essence the false lashes mascara, extreme volume and curl. I love extreme crazy volume mascara. So you can see the packaging of both these mascaras is like this, and both of these mascaras I have received on flat 50% discount. That's why I grabbed them immediately, because Essence mascaras are really good. I have already tried 2 of their mascaras which I really liked, so that's why I thought of trying these out as well. So I'll just show you the price. This retails for rupees 295 and this one retails for rupees 295 as well. This is the wand of this mascara. You can see guys, this is the I Love Extreme mascara. So the wand is like this, a huge wand actually. You can see guys. So these 2 mascaras I have also tried some 2 to 3 times guys, and I really like them. So the next product that I've taken from Flipkart is this one. This is Maybelline Fit Me 128 Warm Nude foundation, and this foundation also I have got on flat 50% discount. This retails for rupees 299 and the net content is 18 ml, and we are getting 3 years of shelf life to use this foundation. So the next product that I've taken from Flipkart is this palette. This is Shuan Fantasy Dream eyeshadow palette. So guys, I've already shared in-depth review and eye makeup using this eyeshadow palette. So if you want to buy a palette on a budget, on a very affordable range, then definitely you can try out this eyeshadow palette. It's a really good palette that I've tried. And only one downside is there is not a proper black or brown given in this palette guys, but leaving that apart, everything is good. This palette is so pretty, so gorgeous. There are coppery bronzy tones given. There are also warm toned eyeshadows given in this palette. So I have taken this palette for rupees 212 only from Flipkart. And this is also available on Amazon as well, so I'll give the link in the description box. I'll just quickly give you a swatch. So you can see guys, it is so highly pigmented. You can see the pigmentation is amazing. So I'll quickly swatch it over here. There is no space on my hand actually. You can see guys. So next I have taken this Gillette Venus razor from Flipkart. So guys, you can see this retails for rupees 220, but I've got this product on flat 35% discount on the sale going on, the Big Billion Days sale on Flipkart. This I highly recommend. You can definitely try this out for hair removal at home, and you need not do waxing and all. It's a really good product, and definitely you can use this at home and save your money. So guys, next I've taken this Garnier Skin Naturals Light Complete Serum Cream. So this is a set of 2, and this also I have got on flat 50% discount, so that's why I grabbed this. And this cream I have already tried once. I really like this cream so much, that's why I've ordered this once again. So there is no paraben in this product is what I can see guys, which I really liked. And this is a very lightweight kind of cream. It is not very oily, so if you are having normal to dry skin, in that case you can try it out. But if you are having very dry skin, then definitely it can be little bit drying on you. So this also has SPF 40, which is really good. So I'll just open and I'll show you the packaging of this cream. You can see the packaging is like this, cute little packaging, and here you can see this is the cream. Guys, next I've taken this shampoo from Head and Shoulders. This is Head and Shoulders Anti-Dandruff Smooth Silky Shampoo. So guys, you can see the quantity is 650 ml, which is huge quantity, and it retails for rupees 600. This one I have also got on flat 55% discount, so that's why I grabbed this. And this is a regular use product that everyone in my family loves to use. Even myself also, I like to use this shampoo because I get a little bit of dandruff issue in winter season. So definitely for for that purpose I have taken this shampoo, and it really works well on dandruff, and it also makes hair very soft and silky, which I really like. So guys, next I also want to show you these bindis that I've taken from my local shop. So in this haul I'm also including this shopping. So this is a set of colorful bindis, and this retails for ₹15. You can see the MRP is written over here. So guys, the next one is this, and these are golden stud bindis. I have got for ₹10 only, which is very cheap and affordable. So next I've taken this bindi, and you can see these are maroon bindis with golden rhinestones, and this also retails for ₹10 only. Guys, that's it. These were all the products that I've taken from my local store, from Nykaa, Flipkart. So I hope you enjoyed watching this haul. So definitely I'm going to share the review in my upcoming videos, so stay tuned for that. So guys, if you enjoyed watching this video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more such amazing videos. Please give this video a like and share it with your friends. So I'll see you in my next video. Till then, bye. Take care.